Hey, you guys, how's it going?
Hi.
Denny here.
SeaJay.
That's right, Agate Enchantment.
And Rock Wizardry.
That's right. And we have made an amazing discovery this week.
Well, I don't know about a discovery, but we are taking...
Well, it's a discovery.
Yes.
And we're going to share it with you, and we're so excited about it. It's really cool.
We are taking all of the different things that we've heard on the internet to clean rocks. Lysol 10x power toilet bowl cleaner.
Lysol.
Yeah, toilet bowl cleaner. But hey, Limeaway, lime, calcium, and rust removal. Again, a toilet bowl cleaner. And then Comic Classic Home Cleaner.
Yeah.
These are all from the dollar store.
Right.
Every single one of them. So we're going to tell you what your bang for the buck is. Pun intended. Right. Pun intended. Right. Pun intended.
Right. And they're just like we left them on you last week. They're in the same container. We have not disturbed them. We've stirred them a couple of times this week. Just stirred them around a little bit to get, to make sure that all the different parts of the rock were covered. And so, but we've made pretty amazing little discovery. And you think, so how we're going to do this really quickly is we've got a separate, so there's no contamination from the different products. We've got a separate bucket for each to clean them.
Yes.
Then we're going to lay them out and do some close-up videos so you can observe for your very self. And we'll run a before and after of last week's and this week's revelation.
So now we're going to take it and we're going to dump it in the water to rinse the rocks. Oh, that rock really turned blue.
Holy cow, that is one blue rock.
Yeah.
We should play a blues song right here. I got the blue rock blues.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And we're going to just...
There you go,
like
Comic Classic.
Yeah.
Yikes. Not sure we're going to do that one again.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, she's going to lay the rocks out, so we're going to pause for a second here. Okay, here we go. Classic Comet. Here's the results, folks. Wow. Holy cow. Look at that. It's a blue rock. Yes. That one has some blue in it right there. That jasper. Look at there. Agate it didn't affect so much, but there's still these hints of blue in it. Petwood. Holy cow. Look at that. Here we have another agate. I'm just going to kind of go up for y'all. And then we'll show this kind of sandwich rock here. Wow. My goodness. And there you go. That is Classic Comet. Wow. Well, it may be good for your toilet bowls, but it ain't so good for your rocks.
Okay, now we're on to Limeaway. The lime, calcium, and rust remover. And we're going to see how it did. Should be interesting. It's much thicker. And it looks like it didn't color the rocks, which is a good thing. And it does not want to stay up there. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to, it looks like it definitely cleaned better. And get some of this excess off. Dump it. It really cleaned up the agates well. You can see it got a lot of that ground in dirt out of there. Let me rinse it one more time. And you might want to soak these like overnight. Just to get any remaining chemicals off. But I have to say, this one did a lot better than that one. Okay, now we are on to Lysol 10X Power. Now, I do have to say that if this works, it's not the best bang for your buck because we had to use 2 bottles. So that's $2 compared to $1. Just, you know, it's a money thing. You know, housewives understand. Okay. Come on. Oh.
Oh, my. That one kind of turned blue, too.
Well, honey, I don't think that's pet wood.
Oh.
It looks sedimentary
it's not.
now.
It's sedimentary.
Whoa.
What an interesting twist. Might have to leave that one blue, folks.
Yeah.
That's kind of interesting.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, into the cool water
Yeah.
to rinse them off a little so before we present them to you.
We're just going to dump them, and I'm going to rinse them a little bit. Yeah, that's definitely sedimentary, baby.
Yep.
Oh,
Sure is.
man.
Yep, we misdiagnosed that one, folks. That
Yep.
is sedimentary, not pet wood.
Yep.
Oh, boy.
Interesting.
Looks like it tinted that one a little green
Yeah.
or something. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah. But look at that white.
Boy, there's something else.
And so is this one.
Cleaned it up really neat.
Yeah.
Had a lot of dirt in it, folks.
Yeah, that one they
We'll
cleaned
show
up
you the
really
before.
nice.
Pretty amazing, though.
And that
How
one.
about that? How about that for a carnelian,
Yeah.
folks? Jeez. Cleaned that one up really, really nice.
And this one. Interesting. That's interesting.
Wow.
I didn't notice that before, did you?
No, I didn't. Wow. It's got, what is those flakes of green in there?
I don't
Holy
know.
cow. That's interesting.
Yeah.
I wonder if that green isn't colored by part of the Lysol there.
Either that or it was underneath calcite
Could be.
and it got eaten away.
Mhm.
And here's our little red jasper.
Oh, look what it did for Jasper, folks.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Yeah.
rinse this one more time. Because this was definitely a yellow before.
Okay, let's zoom in on that. Wow, talk about yellow. It looks almost green.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Let's tilt that up so they can see in the mouth.
Yeah. There's a little
That
bit
guy.
left in there.
Right?
Yeah, there's
A little bit of crud left in there,
Yeah.
but it sure took a lot of it out.
Yeah, it did.
Right?
And it definitely cleaned it. And look at the druzy pocket. It really cleaned the druzy pocket
Mhm.
out.
Sure did.
See?
Look at that. That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
Check this out, you guys, right?
Check
Wow,
it out.
this is really cool. I mean,
It's actually coming off on the cloth.
no kidding. So we're gonna try soaking it in bleach and see what
Yeah.
happens there.
Yep.
Wow, man.
That's
so there's your
amazing.
comic classic.
Yeah.
Now we've got the Limeaway and the Lysol. Our kind of overall recommendation is, first and foremost, that we think the Lysol did the best. The
Yeah.
times 10 power.
But
right?
it's not the best bang for the buck because we had to use
Well,
2
yeah,
bottles.
we had to use 2 bottles.
So it was
right?
$2 instead of just
So,
1.
But then again, you rockhounds, you know, we don't mind spending a little money on our projects, right?
Yeah, or on our
Yeah,
rocks.
those crazy rockhounds.
And then
Go ahead.
The next one is the Limeaway, and it did a fairly good job. It cleaned up the agates real well.
Yeah, the agates came out really good, guys.
And so did the Nice and the Nice Jasper.
Yeah, came out pretty good.
Yeah, and the pet wood, there's
kind of grimy and stuff.
Yeah,
Didn't work so good on the pet wood.
and it kind of soaked in. So
overall, I think we would use. We're not suggesting you use anything, but we would probably use the Lysol
first one.
times 10.
Yeah.
And soak it. Now remember, we did this for 7 days. All we did is stir it midweek.
Yeah.
SeaJay stirred it yesterday.
Yeah.
And so you're seeing exactly the results, right, that we see.
Exactly.
We didn't change anything. We didn't do anything. So there you go. That's a pretty good comparison. Hey, while we got you, please like and subscribe to our channel, man.
Definitely.
We just love hearing from you folks.
Please leave us a comment.
If you've had an experience with any of these that's been positive or negative, please leave comments in the comment box. We really want to know. Yeah. And we really want to serve you the best we can as Agate Enchantment and Rock Wizardry. Thanks a lot, you guys.
Thanks, guys.
Have a great day. And today,
get out there, get rocking, and find your treasure today.
Treasure! Bye now.
Bye. And the excess?
And the excess, well,
just go right in your toilet.
You can figure that out, right? Bye now.
Bye.